Hello friends, this is Dimple here again welcoming you all back to my next tutorial on Android framework components. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you all which is the file and which is the function which is responsible for rebooting our device. So here is a screenshot. When we long press on the power key we can see these options: power off and restart and emergency. This is what I can see in my phone. On every phone this third option will be different, but I'm sure these two options, power off and restart, will be there in every phone. So when I long press on the power key I will click on the restart and my device will reboot. Now which is the file which is responsible for rebooting this device? So to track which is the file responsible for rebooting this device, what I did is I collected logs and I clicked on the power button, and from the logs I could see power manager service. So the file which is responsible is power manager service, for responsible for handling all the power related operations of your Android device. So it will manage all the power related operations, all the wake clocks, reboot function, and multiple operations power manager service is responsible of. And this power manager service is present in this location, that is framework base services core java com android server power and power manager. So how to search a particular file, I'll tell you. So open Android xref. This is Android open source AOSP website which gives you all access to the source code, AOSP source code. So here from the logs I understood power manager service when you take the logs. So in the file path just give power manager service, and in the project click on select all and click on search. So when you do this, all the occurrences of this file will be there. Now for your example here, this file is present in this particular partition. So I'll open this one. Now this file is responsible for my reboot function. So I'll search where is that. Okay, here I get it. See, this is the function public void reboot. This is the function which is responsible for rebooting the device. When we click on the reboot option, we get a dialog asking cancel and confirm. So if confirm is true, it shows a reboot confirmation dialog and the reason for the reboot. Okay, so this is the main function which is responsible for rebooting the device, public void reboot, and it takes these parameters. So what I did to confirm if this is the function, what I did is I downloaded the source code and I commented this function, all the parts whatever is there inside I just commented, and then when I clicked on my reboot restart button, nothing was happening. The device was not rebooting. Actual scenario, device had to reboot, but your device was not rebooting. It was not responding to my click. It was acting as if I didn't click on the restart button. So from that I came to know that yes, this is the function which is responsible for rebooting the device. So yeah, that's all. I wanted to give you all this small piece of information, which is the function responsible for rebooting the device, how to arrive at that function, what you have to look at the logs, when you have to take logs. So basically we have to take logs when we try to reproduce the issue. Okay, so this was all about reboot. In my next tutorial, I'll be telling you all which is the file which is responsible for shutting down your device, power off your device. See, if we see here, power off option, when we click that, the control goes to which file, I'll tell you all in my next tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this. Thanks. Bye. Take care.